This is DJI Spark I have in front of me, and in this video I'll show how you can check the stick mode of the remote controller on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Now launch settings by tapping at the three dots you'll find at the top right corner of your display and select the remote controller settings, the third icon from the top. Now go into the stick mode selection and select what joysticks, or should I rather say what control mode you would like to have your joysticks in: mode 1, mode 2 or mode 3. You can also select custom and customize those controls by tapping at the custom and just rearranging them like that. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.